Okay, this is our newest product review featuring Strike Hold. This video will be featured in our homepage on the About Me page on YouTube channel. So this is our newest product review. It's Strike Hold Cleaner, Lubricant, and Protectant for all metals. Comes in a aerosol can, comes in a spray bottle. And we're going to clean up some guns today. This is a This is a 410 shotgun that I got when I was 16. And you can see it's pretty dirty. So you can write your name with dust on it. But it hangs upside down like that in the gun rack. So we're gonna get these cleaned up today. Okay, I'm gonna put some information about Strike Hold right here. Then we'll be right back. Strike Hold, all-in-one cleaner, lubricant, and protectant. Eliminates moisture, prevents corrosion, breaks down carbon, anti-caliber, anti-gauge. No gum, no gel buildup. No oily, smelly residue. Fast acting. Nanoparticles cut through any dirt, carbon, corrosion, and moisture. Capillary action crawls and spreads into every surface space using nanotechnology. Displaces and repels. Advanced properties work to actively displace and repel moisture. It's a dry lubricant, dry to the touch. Finish leaves no buildup of oily or smelly residue. Protectant. Shield-like coating protects against dirt, carbon, corrosion, and moisture. It's non-inflammable. Contains no CFC or other ozone-depleting substances. Okay, we're back. We're gonna spray some of this on these guns here. I got a gun cleaning kit right here, so we're gonna go inside and out on it. So we'll use this spray right here on it. Just gonna wipe her down. Always make sure your guns are unloaded before you. I already pulled both these was loaded. This lever action. I think it holds a few shells in there. This is a single shot 22. We'll get to that one here shortly. We'll spray a little bit more on this barrel here. Yeah, it's supposed to be good for mainly metal. Like I say, this is a synthetic product. It's not an oil-based product. Boy, that like made a difference right there already. Yeah, this gun's getting old. Okay, that's good on that one on the outside. I'll work on this one here. Sure don't want to drop it. Just wipe them down good. Yeah, it's a 22 single shot lever action. Nothing in the barrel, nothing in the chamber. So we'll lubricate all this up real good. Yeah, this stuff don't attract sand, dirt, dust, or anything. It just very nice. This gun's not that old. I don't think it might be 15, 20 years old, but it looks like brand new now. That's a nice gun there. Got another one I could bring out here. It's a 22 semi-automatic. It's got a scope on it. That's another nice gun. So I guess we'll start cleaning the insides of them. See, we'll start with maybe that one. I haven't used a gun cleaning kit in decades. I'm serious. Sorry to say. Pretty sad. I haven't used a gun cleaning kit in decades. This is actually my dad's gun cleaning kit that I got a few years back. And I had to go out in the building to get it. That one's going to be too big. So we'll go to a smaller one. Yeah, I need to clean the inside of the barrel out. Yeah, we'll try this in here maybe. Yeah, that'll fit in there good. Then we'll put some strike hold on it. See if we can't get that thing cleaned up good. Okay, probably gonna need that. Ought to be long enough, I think. That should be good enough, I hope. So we'll put some of this on there. We'll run that down the barrel. All the way into the, that's it right there. So we reached all the way to the bottom. Well, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. A little bit dirty, but not too bad. Yeah, this one here, like I say, I've had it for a long time. Got this when I was 16, and this week I'm going to be 62. So that's quite a few years old. So let's see, we got to do the 22 next. That's going to take a little bitty one. Yeah, I think that one there will work. It's going to be a tight fit, but that'll work. About the smallest one I got. Okay, we'll do the same thing on that. We'll hit it with some strike hole. Run that down the barrel. Now it looks like it's a little bit more dirty. More dirtier. But it's cleaned up now. See, it's a little bit more dirtier than the 410 shotgun. But it's all cleaned up good now. So this is a cleaner, lubricant, and protectant. Prevents rust and corrosion. Penetrates deeply into the metal parts. Dries electrical connections. So that'd be good for boat and everything. It'd be good for cars. We're going to take this over here to the car over here, and we're going to spray the... You see how some of the aluminum parts on cars nowadays, they really oxidize, making them look terrible. So we're going to... Got a big old aluminum intake on this car right here, on the LLT engine, 3.6 V6. Then we're in the Camaros, Cadillacs, all kind of different cars. GM puts them in there. It's a double overhead valve engine, and it's got that big old aluminum intake on top of it. And I bet this will help keep it from oxidizing so bad and make it look good for a while. This is also made in America, so that's awesome. We like to buy American made products. See that little flag on the bottom down there? American made product. This is also non-flammable, so you don't have to worry about flames being around anywhere. Okay, we're gonna go over the car here in a minute, but I want to let you know, if you're interested in strike hold, there's a link down below in the description to my affiliates link. You got a discount code of Camaro 10. Put that in the affiliates link, and you'll get a discount. So if you're interested in this strike hold, there's some good stuff. I tell you what, these guns look like new again. Amazing. I have to get a close-up of that. We'll get a close-up of that here pretty quick. First, we're going to go over to the car, and we're going to shoot some of this on there, and we're going to see how that's going to clean up. So we'll be right back. Okay, it's a little dark under here, but I hope you can see all right. This is what I was talking about, these aluminum parts. Cast aluminum parts on the Camaros and this one happens to be a Cadillac, but it's got the same engine in it. But look how that changed it already. Almost look like I got it painted. Wow, that's awesome. That'll help protect it, I'll tell you what. That's amazing. We'll wind up doing the whole engine. Look at that. You can do this, probably do side panels. Yeah, you could make your car look new again. Check that out. Very impressed with it. I'll tell you what, that's nice. I ain't even been under here 5 minutes. Already got it looking a whole lot better. Wipes all that dust away. Especially guys that's got show cars that's take them to the show. Boy, that's ideal for doing. Clean that stuff up. Look at that. Now I'd probably suggest to wash your engine first. That way you get most of the dust and dirt off of it. Then you spray this on there. I mean, it's good for electrical connections and everything. If you get water in an engine or something, spray your electrical connectors. And I'll tell you what, I'm just amazed with it. I hope that's showing up pretty good. Well, let's see if I can't get some more light on there. There we go. Now look at that. Look what that did to the aluminum. Cast aluminum. Yeah, I'll have to get this cleaned up a little bit better. Yeah, I need to do top the battery. I need to do, yeah, that's cool. And this won't attract dust, dirt, or sand or anything like that. Of course, it's going to get dusty, dirty eventually, but I mean, that really cleaned it up. So now we're going to take a close-up look at them guns real quick. So we'll be right back. Okay, check that out. I haven't got very good right here in the trigger, but I'll have to probably get some Q-tips or something back in there. But I'll tell you what, I'm very impressed with this product. So if you're interested in getting this product, click on my affiliates link right down there below in the description and use the promo code, the discount code, Camaro 10. Pick you up a bottle or two of this stuff. I guarantee you'll like it. Used for cars, boats, guns, you name it. I mean, like I said, this is synthetic, like your synthetic oils. It's a cleaner. It's actually better than oil cleaners. So click on that affiliate link down there in the description, and I really thank the guys down there at Strikehold. I appreciate them sending this out to me so we can review this product. Yeah, this here gun here looks just like new. So okay, I'm going to wrap up this video, and thanks for watching. Grab a hold of this Strikehold. I'll tell you what, you'll use it for your car, use it for your boat, use it for your guns. Tell you what, I'm impressed with it. When I run out, I'm going to be buying some more, I'll tell you that for sure. Alright, thanks for watching.